Right guys, just a quick edge shed update. Got the battery, found some earth leads, got the earth leads on. Got this side connected, clamped. Got to get the spot weld down and just tackle that all together as best I can for the minute. There's the carburetor set up. There's my manual chokes. I'm going to have to find some more carburetors because this one and this one, I rebuilt a set and the dash top's too high, so this has got to be a low dash top. Now I've got some dash tops, so that's not a problem. We're going to find that. Working away for the springs, but I can't use the throttle linkages because it fails on the way power, so I can't have a spin there. So I'm going to have to suspend the cable here in between, either coming up or going down. But at the moment, the problem is that they both shut that way. So to make them open, you've got to go that way. So if you imagine, it's not quite as simple as it looks, and it's going to be a little bit of a tricky one. But I'm not, you know, hey, I'm not going to give up. We also got the other brake pipe on. That's done. We're going to find the distributor. Still got some cleaning up and a few other bits and pieces around, like for the water pump. Found some gaskets last night, and also found the downpipes for the exhaust, as I think I said already. Found some gaskets for those, so that's good. Not putting them on though because we haven't got the reaction plate in. And I found the alternator bracket. The alternator is not going to go on this. I'm not using this alternator. I'm going to rewire that separately. I'm going to wire that separate. So for all the people telling me how 50-year-old wiring loom, the main stuff's going to be redone. I'm just going to, the other stuff I'm not going to worry about. It's all fused anyway. So that's that. I had a phone call from a friend of mine and he wants one of these, and that is a brand new old stock unit, and I think it's a facelift XJS mass cylinder. Look at that, brand new in the shed, found. So I'll give him a ring now. And I also found this, which I'm hoping gives me the bends in to connect my pipes, because I modified that, as you see. Look, I cut that down to come across and come out, so I'm hoping I can utilise some of this to do a proper pipe. I haven't got anything else, and I don't think I can bend any of that stuff. And what's nice about this is it's, well, it should work. So as I said, for now, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep watching if you want to see it get further on. I've got to go in search of another carburetor and some other bits and pieces down the bottom shed now. So anyway, so calipers are I've got to find them. They're in the other shed here. They're in the tent. So I'm going to get the calipers out. But for the minute, yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there, really getting there. Oh, and just for future reference here, for all you LT77 owners, I found the top cover, which is this. See this bush here? It's something like XKC 9338 or something. No longer available from anybody. You can't get one anywhere. So managed to sort of source something from a TVR, and I'm hoping it's going to work. If it doesn't, the closest place from what I gather is in Connecticut, so there'll be an American import needed. So we'll see how we get on with that anyway. And as I said before, we're getting there. We're making headroads. We're making headroads. May not be up to Concord standard, and it never was going to be. I don't think I ever lied to anybody about that. It's going to be up to my standards, and it's going to get done. So right guys, just a quick one here. I've been down looking. I still can't find a lever for the carburetor, so I think it might be over there in one of them boxes. We're going to have a look. But I've been joined by the head shed, and this is my assistant, who is going to say, he says he's going to help me, but sometimes he's not a help, are you?
Yeah, sometimes.
No, you're not a help, are you, sometimes? What do you do sometimes, apart from cause trouble? Bang things with hammers?
Yes.
Over rev engines? Yeah. And I've told him it is freezing out here and he should have a coat on, but he refuses to wear one of their head shed coats. And
I have one.
you could have got the other head shed, the blue one. You could have been wearing that, couldn't you? But what did you come up here to help me do then? What was the object?
Anything what you're going to be doing?
Yeah. And what was I going to be doing?
I'm not sure.
But, well, anyway, whatever we were going to be doing, we're going to be doing it in a minute, right? Is that right? Okay, so, me and the head, what would we like to say?
like and subscribe.
That's good, isn't it? And what else? Follow us about on Instagram.
Follow
And
us about on Instagram.
don't forget our head shed page.
As well, we have merch.
Yeah, see you soon. Now, that's obviously an interaction there from my right-hand man who thinks he's going to be helping me. I think he's going to get some old clothes on if he plans on helping me. Mind you, in the old days, they used to send him up chimneys, so I suppose I could send him under the car, couldn't I, to do under the car things.
No, you're not.
Go around the other side of the car and let me see whether you'd fit, like in the days of slavery.
Of course I'll fit.
How do I know?
Look.
Can I see you under there? What? Oh yeah. Right. While you're under there, can you put those exhaust pipes on?
These? No.
Why?
Because I can't.
God, look at that. See, they're not even willing to learn nowadays. All right. What about picking litter up? Can you pick that litter up?
Not yet, sir.
All the bits of tissue. But you need gloves.
No.
Anyway, you won't do that either. Right. Anyway, so like I said, guys, that's a quick one there. We're going to look in for a throttle linkage. We found one, but the problem is this isn't drilled for it. So I'm going to have to do a bridge, and these studs aren't long enough. So got a few issues there, but to be continued after I've robbed a few bits off the other car right down off. Don't you fall over and break your neck. So this is our abundance of bits and pieces here. And these are no really good because they're dead throttles. So you'll have to find something to get the leverage. So, as I said, that's it for now. And, found some pipes. The aluminium one looks like it may well not be the right angle. So we've got some transverse water pipes here. And possibly one of them might give me the angle. Plus I've got a pipe bender over there which I can actually bend it round. Or maybe I'll just bend a new pipe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, talk to you soon, guys. And like I say, to be continued. Hopefully you'll see it next. It'll have a little bit further again. Hopefully I'll have some more done.